Welcome to this video series, Study Like a Scientist. Let's learn how to use research-based strategies to build long-term memory and recall knowledge efficiently and effectively. In this video, we will learn about brain dumping. Brain dumping gets information out of your brain. It encourages prolonged writing practice and allows you to enter a state of flow. You can explore interconnected ideas, practice perseverance, especially when you think you've run out of ideas partway through, and it identifies missing links or chunks of information. Step 1, set a timer. Step 2, pick a topic. And step 3, write everything you can remember about the topic without prompts. Step 4, organize the information, so highlight your categories and add some linking lines. And step 5, compare your brain dump to your notes, so that step 6, you can add any missing information in a new color. You can also explore with the amount of time you give yourself to do the brain dump. Perhaps start with 5 minutes and extend your time up to 10 minutes with practice. Keep each brain dump that you do, don't throw it away, because next time you could try to write more in the same time or write the same amount in less time. You could work with a friend and swap and compare your brain dumps at the end of the time so that you can discuss differences. Now that you know how to use brain dumps to study like a scientist, why don't you check out connecting to help you make more meaningful links between pieces of information?